In front of me is Rhino 1 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called location. Now all you need to do is use this switcher next to use location to either switch it off, confirm your choice by tapping close in the pop-up, or turn it on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!